Right now, we went 1-0 today, all right? And we are undefeated in the MAC right now. Now, we know we didn't play well enough, okay? What I'm going to challenge us with right now is to enjoy this victory because winning is hard. But I want us to figure out how we correct the mistakes so that we don't have to, because what we did today at times will get us beat. And I think that we all know that. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay? So we know it. It's on us to make sure that we get it fixed.
Let's go. What up, coach? What's up, baby? Let's do this.